and gentlemen, there's something about this girl, man, from around my way.
Hey you guys, it's me, Deja Marie. Welcome back to my channel. The holidays are here. I repeat, the holidays are here and you need a new dress. At this point, there's no time to look for a new dress, buy a new dress, get a new dress shipped to your home, try on the new dress and not like the new dress. Send the new dress back, look for a new dress. No, just no. I came across this dress on my Pinterest feed and I absolutely love this dress even more than I originally did because it was so versatile. She could take her scarf and put it in many different ways and it would be many different dresses. As I was looking for a different view of the dress, I came across the price of the dress and it is $450. We are not doing that. So here I am to show you that I can make this dress for less than $450. And it almost looked just as good. I bought a pre-cut 2-yard roll of fabric from Walmart. It's a creamy color. It's very stretchy. It's kind of got a warm fuzzy to one side. I am 38-40 inches around, so I folded my material in half to about half that measurement, so about 19.5 inches long. This vest was the closest thing to me for tracing, so this is just what I'm going to use. I'm just tracing the outline of the top so I can have my measurements right a little bit, sorta. This is supposed to be a floor length maxi dress, so I'm going to cut out all my curves at the top and I'm going to let it come straight down at the bottom. This is supposed to be an easy and simple DIY to do, so after you finish cutting this, you'll have one open side seam and an open shoulder seam. With the remaining material that I cut off on the edge, I'm going to use it to make my scarf. If you think making this dress is easy, making this scarf is even easier. I'm just taking my scrap material, folding it in half so my cuts will be a little more even, and I'm going to cut me an even straight edge all the way down. I decided to measure it for you guys. My scarf is 11 inches wide. I am 5 foot tall. My scarf comes from my shoulder all the way down and it drags the ground even more, so I believe it's a little longer than 5 feet. Okay, now working with the dress still inside out, I'm going to take my scarf and put it on the inside of my shoulder seam right here. You have to make sure that all of your scarf is inside of the dress because that is really the outside of the dress. I have to change out my bobbin threads to match the color of the fabric, and then I can proceed to close up my side seam and my shoulder seam. Once I finished sewing it all up, I decided to try it on, see how I like the scarf, and if I could do what she did in the video with my scarf. And it appears that I could do it. Couldn't do it with one hand, but I could do it. The literal hard part is over. Now I'm going to add a piece of elastic on the shoulder seam to create a ruching, close up my shoulder seam, and then close up this seam right here all the way around the dress. I'm going to use this regular Dollar Tree elastic to create my ruching on my shoulder seam. I took about 4 inches of the elastic and I'm going to stretch and pull the elastic as I'm sewing it to create an ruching effect on my seam. Once the elastic is on, my dress is complete and this is how it looks. I absolutely love this dress. I love it so much and I love the fact that it was not $450. What bothered me was the fact that it was raining and I did not even think about taking the scarf and using it as a hood. The dress is so cute. It's literally the perfect length. I paired it with gold accessories, gold everything, shoes, purse, necklaces. Was this dress easy enough to make for your holiday party? Let me know what you think of the dress in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!
Ladies and gentlemen, there's something about this girl, man, from around